Hello everybody and welcome to the video. For this video I'm going to be making a cake topper. For this project I'm going to be using Koala glossy sticker paper. I don't have the box anymore because I just file all the different kind of printable vinyls that I have. It makes it easier for storage and organization. That's just what works best for me. I'm going to be using cardstock. And this is the stronger cardstock. The standard cardstock that I get, I don't have the numbers right here, but I will post it right here in the video so you guys can see the standard cardstock that I buy. This is thicker cardstock that I'm using for this video. It's 110 pounds, and those are the measurements, but so I'm going to be using this. I got a piece right here all ready to go. And I printed out the images for the cake topper already. I'm going to just cut this out with the Cricut machine. I was originally just going to put it on the cardstock, but I didn't like the quality that it printed out on the cardstock. I wanted it to be more glossy looking, so I printed it out on the glossy sticker paper, and I'm going to just take the cardstock and cut out the design, or just cut out the shape on the cardstock, and we're going to cut the stickers out, and then we'll stick the stickers to the cardstock. And I have some bamboo picks. These are what we're going to tape the cake toppers onto to stick it in the cake. If you guys would like me to do a how to make the cake toppers tutorial in Cricut Design Space and put it on the channel, let me know down in the comments. I did make this up in Cricut Design Space, so if you're interested in a tutorial, let me know. So we're going to start out by cutting out the background in the cardstock. I really need to scrub my light grip mat and clean it for another day. I have a few mats that I have to go over and really clean up. And give me a second. Grab some tape. And we're just going to tape it down. That's why there's so many tape pieces on here. Because after it starts to lose its grip, I tape it down. You can use this kind of tape, or I've used painter tape. It's a little easier on the mats, not ruining the mat. It's completely up to you. I might just buy new mats. I'm not sure. They're not that expensive. I get like 6 mats for 20 bucks. Okay, so we're going to load this into the Cricut. Remember, this is cardstock, so we have to switch it over to the cardstock setting on the machine. Load it in. And hit the cut button. This shouldn't take that long to cut just the shapes of the shapes of the cake toppers out. Alright, so we're going to take that out. Alright. I should do a comparison of this cardstock and the lighter cardstock so you guys can see how much more sturdy this stuff is than the other stuff. So we're going to load in the sticker paper, and this is glossy, and my Cricut Explorer 2 has a hard time reading the lines on glossy paper. All graphic paper is the same. So I have a trick here that I'm going to try. And if this doesn't work, I have a second trick that I can use as a backup. But we're just going to put pieces of tape over the corners. It like mats it a little bit so that the sensor can read it. There we go. Okay, so we're going to load this into the machine, and we are going to switch this over to vinyl. And then after we switch it over to vinyl, we're going to hit the cut button. Vinyl is just going to cut the top layer. If you wanted to cut all the way through completely, you can leave it on the cardstock setting or customize more pressure in the Cricut Design Space app itself. I don't need it to cut the stickers completely out because I'm just going to peel it off the backing and discard the backing. But if you're cutting stickers to sell or whatever, or give somebody, and you want to cut it all the way through, then you're going to need a more pressure setting than just the vinyl setting. Oh, it looked like it scanned it properly. I'm just going to start cutting it out. That we have that, we're going to grab a couple of these. Okay. So on the back, we are going to stick it about there. We have a cake topper. Just do this. We're going to do 2 on this one. Just make sure it's extra secure. Alright. There we go. So we have cake toppers for our cake. Let me know what you guys think of this down in the comments. What kind of things would you do for cake toppers? Have you made cake toppers? Let me know down in the comments. I hope everybody has a wonderful day, everybody, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you want to watch some of my other videos, here's a playlist for you.